Hi guys! Want to find the most accurate and powerful tools for electrical testing? In today's video, we're covering the top 5 best smart clamp meter to help you choose the perfect one. You're watching Dude's Tech, where smart tech meets real performance. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Mastfuyi FY375 Smart Clamp Meter. The Mastfuyi FY375 Smart Clamp Meter is a modern electrical testing device designed for accurate, safe, and efficient measurement of both AC and DC electrical parameters. Built with a dual-chip architecture, it enables advanced processing for improved stability and reliable readings during field and professional use. One of its key features is the ability to measure current and voltage simultaneously. The clamp jaw is used for current measurement, while the test leads are used for voltage measurement, allowing users to perform multiple checks at the same time without switching modes repeatedly. The device supports both alternating current and direct current measurement, making it suitable for a wide range of electrical systems. The clamp design includes a 25mm jaw opening, providing flexibility to handle different wire sizes and applications. This makes it practical for use in residential wiring, industrial maintenance, and general electrical troubleshooting. A large display screen enhances usability by showing two types of data at once, ensuring clear and efficient reading even in fast-paced working environments. Safety is a major focus of the Mastfuyi FY375. It is equipped with overload protection features, including an intelligent anti-burning chip, ceramic fuse tube, and PTC circuit protection. These systems help prevent damage to the device and improve user safety even in cases of incorrect measurement settings or unexpected voltage spikes. It also includes 250-volt anti-burning protection, adding an extra layer of reliability during operation. Another important feature is NCV, which allows users to detect the presence of AC voltage without directly touching any live conductor. This function helps quickly identify whether a circuit is energized, improving safety and efficiency during electrical inspections. With its combination of dual measurement capability, safety protections, large display, and non-contact detection, the Mastfuyi FY375 Smart Clamp Meter is designed as a practical and dependable tool for electricians and technicians who require accuracy and safety in their daily work. Coming in at number 4, we have the Habotest HT206 Smart Clamp Meter. The Habotest HT206 Smart Clamp Meter is a next-generation true RMS intelligent measuring instrument designed to deliver higher efficiency, accuracy, and safety for electrical testing and maintenance work. Built with advanced technology and user-focused features, it supports professionals who require reliable performance in demanding environments. At its core, the HT206 series combines intelligent protection systems with a full-range anti-burn design, ensuring safer operation during electrical measurements. Its stable performance and high precision make it suitable for both routine diagnostics and complex troubleshooting tasks, while its strong and durable construction ensures long-term usability. One of its standout features is the high-definition backlit display, which enhances visibility in low-light or nighttime working conditions. This allows users to take measurements clearly and accurately, even in dark environments. The device also incorporates an intelligent orange backlight warning system that activates automatically when voltage exceeds 80 volts or current goes beyond 3A, providing an added layer of safety awareness. The HT206 series also includes a patented clamp head structure, reflecting its carefully engineered design aimed at improving practicality and ease of use. For enhanced measurement accuracy, it features a high-precision, low-pass filter function that helps eliminate interference from high-frequency harmonics, ensuring more stable readings in complex electrical systems. Additionally, the low-Z, low-impedance voltage measurement function helps prevent false readings caused by ghost or induced voltages, improving reliability during diagnostics. The NCV, or non-contact voltage detection feature, available in HT206B/D models, enables safe detection of live wires without direct contact, making maintenance work more secure and efficient. Overall, the HT206 smart clamp meter integrates intelligent protection, precision measurement, and user-friendly design, making it a dependable tool for electricians and technicians who need accurate and safe electrical testing solutions. At number 3, the Aneng ST212 smart clamp meter. The Aneng ST212 Smart Clamp Meter is a versatile and intelligent electrical measuring tool designed for professionals and DIY users who need accurate and safe electrical diagnostics. It supports a wide range of measurements, including AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, and continuity testing, making it suitable for various electrical applications, such as home maintenance, industrial inspection, and appliance repair. One of its standout features is its automatic function and range selection. This smart capability allows the device to detect the appropriate measurement mode without manual adjustment, ensuring smoother operation and reducing the chances of error. The built-in overload protection further enhances safety by protecting the meter across its entire measuring range. The device is equipped with a clear LCD color display with backlight, allowing users to read measurements easily, even in low-light environments. For added convenience, it includes data retention, a low battery indicator, and an automatic shutdown feature to conserve power and improve usability during fieldwork. The Aneng ST212 is particularly notable for its high-precision non-contact AC current measurement capability. It can measure up to 400 A AC current simply by clamping the wire through its jaws, eliminating the need for direct contact and increasing safety during operation. It is also capable of measuring DC current from external air conditioner units by clamping single-strand wires with precision. Built with a stable and sensitive main control chip, the meter delivers reliable performance across multiple testing scenarios. Its induction pliers feature a jaw diameter of 3 centimeters, making it suitable for a variety of single-wire measurements. This ensures flexibility when working with different electrical systems. Designed for multi-scene usage, the Aneng ST212 Smart Clamp Meter combines accuracy, safety, and ease of use in a compact form. Whether used for troubleshooting household electronics or maintaining industrial equipment, it provides dependable performance for a wide range of electrical testing needs. In the second spot, we have the GVDA 166A Smart Clamp Meter. The GVDA GD166A Smart Clamp Meter is a versatile and advanced electrical measuring tool designed for both professionals and technicians who require accurate and reliable diagnostics. Built with a high-precision 6,000-count display, it delivers detailed and stable readings for current, voltage, and other key electrical parameters, ensuring greater accuracy in everyday electrical tasks. This clamp meter supports both AC and DC current measurement, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from household electrical maintenance to industrial troubleshooting. Its multifunctional capability extends beyond current measurement, allowing users to test capacitance, temperature, voltage, resistance, and more, making it a complete all-in-one electrical testing solution. Equipped with an HD color LCD display, the device presents readings clearly and conveniently, reducing the chance of errors and eliminating the need for manual calculations. The 6,000-count maximum display ensures fine resolution for precise monitoring of electrical values. Safety and efficiency are enhanced with features such as non-contact AC voltage detection, allowing users to identify live wires without direct contact. It also includes AC inrush current measurement, helping analyze sudden current surges in electrical systems. Additional intelligent functions like max/min value recording provide insight into fluctuations during operation. The GVDA GD166A also supports live wire detection, DCA zero adjustment for improved DC accuracy, and overrange indication to prevent misinterpretation of readings. For energy efficiency, it includes an auto power-off function, while a low battery indicator ensures uninterrupted performance by alerting users when power is running low. Overall, the GVDA 166A Smart Clamp Meter is a feature-rich, reliable, and user-friendly diagnostic tool designed to simplify complex electrical measurements while improving safety, accuracy, and efficiency in every use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Uni-t UT207B Smart Clamp Meter. The Uni-t UT207B Smart Clamp Meter is a professional-grade electrical measurement tool designed for accurate diagnostics in both industrial and high-power environments. Built with advanced safety and precision features, it supports Cat 3 1000V and Cat 4 600V safety ratings, ensuring reliable protection when working with high-voltage electrical systems. One of its key capabilities is inrush current measurement, which allows technicians to detect and analyze sudden electrical surges during equipment startup. This feature is especially useful for troubleshooting overloads and ensuring system stability in complex electrical setups. The meter incorporates true RMS technology, delivering highly accurate AC and DC current and voltage readings even when measuring nonlinear electrical loads. This ensures dependable results across a wide range of applications, from residential wiring to heavy industrial systems. For large-scale electrical projects, the UT207B offers an extended measurement range with a flexible current probe capable of measuring currents up to 3,000 amps. This makes it suitable for demanding environments where standard clamp meters may fall short. In addition to electrical measurements, the device also supports high-temperature measurement capabilities of up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. This function is particularly valuable in industrial maintenance, automotive diagnostics, and environments where monitoring extreme heat conditions is essential. Overall, the Uni-t UT207B Smart Clamp Meter combines safety, precision, and versatility in a single device, making it a practical tool for electricians, engineers, and technicians working in challenging electrical and thermal environments. Looking for the best smart clamp meter for your work? Check the price link in the description to get the right one for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more top tech reviews and expert picks.